In checklists, service providers will prepare invoices for jobs and send those invoices to you. Invoices can be prepared for jobs that are not yet started, jobs that are in progress, completed jobs, or even canceled jobs if a cancellation fee is applicable. These options give you and your service provider the flexibility to decide on the best invoicing and payment terms for your businesses. Once you've added a payment card, you can pay your invoices in a few simple steps. From your dashboard, navigate to the far left and click Invoices. All of your invoices received from your service providers will be displayed here. Click into the unpaid invoice you wish to pay. If you've added multiple cards to your account and would like to pay using a different card than the one that is pre-selected, click on the Cards drop-down at the top right and select the preferred card. When you're ready, click Pay with Card. And that's it. Your invoice has been paid.